Yes, sir. Screen दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है स्क्रीन? Okay. So question was obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube. Then आपने प्लस लिख के फिर माइनस लिखा है, तो आई थिंक माइनस में कंसिडर करता हूँ. To minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. This was the question, right? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ, क्या हुआ था? नेट चला गया था?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
फिर एरर शो.
ओके ओके ओके. ठीक है, चलिए कोई नहीं. तो मुझे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में था कि ये एक्सप्रेशन दे रखा था and they have told that this is 1 0 and this is the another 0, right?
Yes.
You see the question, what is the degree of this expression? What is the degree of this expression?
Biquadratic.
It's a
4.
biquadratic, so degree will be
4.
4. So if the degree is 4, how many zeros we will get?
4.
We will get 4 zeros. So let
Yes, sir.
zeros are alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. These 4 zeros I have taken. So
Yes, sir.
we will consider that 2 zeros is already given. So we will consider gamma is given to me as root 5 by 3, and delta is given to me as root 5 by 3 in negative. Any problem?
No, sir.
So can we write it down the general form here according to the question? We can write down here x minus alpha times x minus beta times x minus gamma times x minus delta is equals to, if
L-
suppose this is the px, so we can write it
Yes,
down
sir.
equals to px.
Yes, sir.
So in the next page I will write x minus alpha, x minus beta. In the place of gamma, can I put it here root
Yes, sir.
5 by 3?
Yes, sir.
And if you see here in the place of delta, if I put it here, so already here it's minus, and this is
Yes, sir.
also minus. So this becomes how much? This becomes plus, right? So I
Yes,
can write
yes,
it
sir.
down here. X plus root 5 by 3 is equals to 3x power 4. What is the expression? Plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x. 2x square minus 10x and then minus
Yes,
5.
sir. 5.
एक्सप्रेशन सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. So we can write it down here x minus alpha, x minus beta. If you see, it looks like a minus b, a plus b.
Yes, sir.
So we can write down this one as x square. What we can write? We can write x
X square
square minus
minus
root
5 by.
5 by 3 the whole square. Any
Yes, sir.
problem?
No, sir.
And equals to, similarly I will write it down here, 3x power 4
4 plus
6x
6x
cube
cube.
minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay,
Yes.
so you
Yes,
can
sir.
see it's going to be x minus alpha, x minus beta, and this becomes here x square minus 5 by 3, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it becomes here 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Any problem?
No, sir.
So further, if you see, I can write down this one as x minus alpha, x minus beta, and this one I will take to the division part. So I can write it down here, 3 times x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divide by x
X
square
square
minus 5 upon 3 it
by
is.
3. Yes, sir.
Now, if you see here, this is 5 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I resolve the denominator part first, what I will get? I will get 3x square here, right? So 3x square minus 5 upon 3. And this 3 will go in the top in the multiplication with the numerator. होगा?
Yes, sir.
तो हम
Yes, sir.
इसको next page में लिख सकते हैं x minus alpha times x minus beta, and I will write down again 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by 3x square minus 5 upon 3, right?
3.
So now
Yes, sir.
this 3 will go on the top with the multiplication with it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
we
sir.
can write down next step x minus alpha, x minus beta, and I will write down 3 times 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 divided by 3x.
3x square minus 5.
So if you see the right hand side, it becomes 9x power 4 plus 18x cube minus 6x square minus 30x
38
minus
minus
15
15.
upon 3x square.
3x square minus 5.
So now what I will do here, I have to just do the division first, right? So let's
Yes, sir.
start working on division. So in the working of division, you can see 3x square minus 5, and we have 9x power 4 plus 18x cube minus 6x square minus 30x minus 15. It was the, this was the coming, right? So let's
Yes, sir.
work out. So if you see here on the top, it's 9x power 4, and here this is 3x square. So by
Yes.
what number shall I do divide first?
3x square.
So I need to go by 3x square. So I'm writing down here 3x square. So I will get it first. I will get first 9x power 4 minus 15x square. What I will get? Minus 15x square.
Minus 15x square.
So I will cancel out. So what I will left? I will left with 18x cube. And if you see here, it's minus 6 minus
Yes.
minus plus. So this will become 15 minus 6. I need to do subtraction. So in the subtraction,
Yes,
it
sir.
will become how much? It will become plus how much? How much I will left?
9 plus 9x square.
No, 15. Okay. So plus 9x square minus 30x minus 15. Any problem?
Yes.
So now if
No,
you
sir.
see here, it's 18x cube. So by what number I shall multiply? And here is 3x square. So by what number I shall?
6x.
So I need to multiply with 6x.
6.
I'll go with 6x. So here I will get it 18x cube, and 6 5 is 30x minus 30x, right? So I will get
Yes, sir.
minus 30x. So this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So I will be left with 9x square minus 15. Now what shall I do here? It's 9x
We should
square.
multiply by 3.
So I need to go only 3, right?
Yes, sir. Plus 3.
So I will go, I will use it. So all cancel. 0 now I'm getting. So now
Yes,
this
sir.
is the quotient I am getting here. So in the next page, what I can do here, I can write it down here. X minus alpha and x
Yes, sir.
minus beta, and that should be equals to what? That should be equal to this
Yes, sir.
part, right? So 3x
Yes, sir.
square plus 6x,
Minus.
no, that is plus 6x. 3x
Yes, sir.
square plus 6x plus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Any problem till here?
No, sir.
So now let's work out. So x minus alpha, x minus beta. If I see this is 3, 3, so it goes 9, right? So it's very simple. I can write like this. 3x plus 3x plus 3. Any
Yes, sir.
problem?
No, sir.
If I solve the first part, so I'll get 3x common, right? So I will get
Yes, sir.
here x plus 1, and when I
Yes, sir.
will take here 3 as a common, so I will get it here x plus 1. So I will write x minus alpha, x minus beta.
Beta.
So you can see here I can write x plus 1, and here I can write 3x plus 3,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So x minus alpha and x minus beta. So if I suppose
Yes.
if I equate this one with this, so x minus alpha is equals to x plus 1. So alpha is
Yes.
going to be how much? Alpha will become minus 1,
Yes, sir.
right? And if I
Yes.
equate this with this, so I will write x minus beta is equals to 3x plus 3, correct? So what I will
Yes, sir.
do, I will just divide, because here is 3x and here is x. So I cannot do that. So I will divide the right hand side by 3. So I will get what?
Yes.
I will get x plus 1 here again.
Mm.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Uh, yeah. So we can do here. Check the answer. What is the answer they have given?
+1 -1
Plus one. Plus
and
one.
-1. Yes, sir.
Plus one minus one. आंसर में +1 - 1 है. हेलो.
Yes, sir. +1 -1.
आंसर में +1 - 1 है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 zeros are getting that much. Okay. 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 Whole square. Okay. नेगेटिव वेयर द नेगेटिव इज कमिंग. या तो फिर एक्सप्रेशन में नेगेटिव होगा कहीं. देखिए जरा. नहीं, एक्सप्रेशन भी ठीक है.
Mm.
ये वाला प्लस
6
है क्या? यहाँ पर जो 2x लिखा था, 2x क्वेश्चन में देखिए क्या है, प्लस है माइनस है?
-2x square.
-2x स्क्वायर है.
Yes, sir.
हो सकता है उन लोगों ने कुछ लिया हो, बट यहाँ पे -1 ही आ रहा है. ठीक है. ठीक
Yes,
है,
sir.
तो आप -1 कंसिडर करके चलिए फिलहाल. ठीक है, हो सकता है कुछ मिस्टेक दिया हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम.
सर एक और है.
हाँ बोलिए.
On dividing x cube -3x square plus x plus 2
हम्म, पूरा पढ़िए, पूरा पढ़िए
by
पहले.
on dividing x cube -3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the
हम्म,
quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and -2x plus 4 respectively.
ओके.
Find the gx.
ओके. 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 ठीक है. सो एक अब धीरे धीरे पढ़िएगा, मैं नोट कर देता हूँ क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे. हाँ, अब.
On dividing
ऑन डिवाइडिंग
x cube -3x square plus x plus 2
+x + 2 ऑन डिवाइडिंग. ठीक है, उसके बाद.
by a polynomial gx.
ओके. फाइन.
The, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2
हम्म.
and -2x plus 4
-2x
x plus
+ 4. ओके.
respectively.
हम्म.
Find gx.
फाइंड द gx. ओके.
gx.
फाइन. So you can see when I will divide this by gx, quotient is coming this much, remainder is coming this much, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know very well this will become what? This will become as a divisor, right? And
Yes,
this
sir.
is dividend, and this is quotient, and this is remainder, correct?
Yes.
So I
Yes,
think
sir.
I have told you here, divisor is equals to dividend times quotient plus remainder. I told you.
Yes, sir.
So just fill the values here. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Dividend is gx. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir.
So I will write it down here. Gx times, this becomes here x minus 2 plus minus 2x plus 4. Any problem?
No, sir.
So if you see, this is in addition. This is in what? Addition.
Adding.
So this will go where? This will go first in this side. So x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 subtract minus 2x plus 4. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So gx times x minus 2. So let's solve it further. So if this is x cube 3x square plus x plus 2, this becomes how much? Minus and minus will become plus 2x, and
Yes, sir.
minus 4 is equals to gx times x minus 2. So let's solve further. So this becomes x cube or minus 3x square, and this becomes how much? 3x
Yes, sir.
minus 2 is
2.
equals to gx times x minus 2. So now
Yes.
this x minus 2, if it will go to the left hand side, it will goes in division, right? So in the next
Yes, sir.
page, I can write it down further. I can write down gx is equals to how much? So the equation is x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2 I can write.
Yes, sir.
अब इसको डिवाइड दे देते हैं, सिंपल है। तो चलिए डिवाइड दे के देख लेते हैं। यहाँ पे जो आएगा वो gx की वैल्यू हो जाएगा।
Sir.
So 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So what do you think? By which one?
Sir, x square.
So I will go by x square. So I have to do here x cube and minus 2x square, right? So it will be cancelled. What I will left? I will left with minus x square, right?
Yes, sir.
Then plus 3x minus 2. So by which number shall I divide further?
Sir,
Minus
plus x.
by
Minus x.
minus x. So I will go with
Yes.
minus x. So here it will become x square, and here it becomes plus 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is cancel. What is left? Plus 3 minus plus 2x. So I will be left with x minus 2. So it's simple.
Yes,
I
sir.
will multiply with 1. So x minus 2. So all will cancel. So I'm getting what? I'm getting this much as a quotient here. So the value of
Yes.
gx will become x square minus x plus 1. This is the gx value. Check the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Uh, just give me a second. Hmm. I have one problem for you. Just uploading. Just a second. Can you read the problem?
Yes, sir.
Read it.
Find all the zeros of polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7.
एक मिनट होल्ड
It
कीजिएगा सब पानी। आप क्वेश्चन पढ़िए और मैं एक मिनट में आता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. It being given that two if its zeros are 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Hmm.
हो गया प्रॉब्लम पड़ा हुआ?
Yes, sir.
इसमें भी सेम वही काम करना है जो हमने पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में किया था. सो
Yes, sir.
आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए, इस क्वेश्चन को. ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा है. नोट कर लिया?
एक सेकंड sir. 2x raised to 4 minus. Yes, sir.
अब देखिए, मैं चलता हूँ इसको सॉल्व करने. एक्सप्रेशन क्या दिया हुआ है?
2x raised to 4
2x raised to 4
minus 11x cube
minus 11x cube
plus 7x square
plus 7x square
plus 13.
plus 13x
Yes, sir. Plus 13x and minus 7.
minus 7. एंड क्वेश्चन में दो जीरोस दे रखे हैं, राइट?
Yes.
एंड दो
Yes,
जीरोस
sir.
आर 3 plus root 2 and
And
3
3 minus.
minus root 2. These are the two zeros they have given. So again,
Yes.
if I see the equation, it has the power 4. So how many zeros we will get it? Power
4.
4. 4 zeros we will get. So same way, let alpha, let zeros are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay. So we can
Yes, sir.
consider here the gamma is 3 plus root 2 and delta is 3 minus root 2. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now how to proceed in this problem? So we will consider again here x minus alpha, x
Into x
minus
minus beta
beta, x minus
into
gamma,
gamma.
x minus delta, and suppose this is equals to px. So we will write down here
Yes, sir.
px only. Okay. So I will do here x minus alpha, x minus beta, and here I need to write x minus 3 plus root 2, bracket close, and x minus 3 minus root 2, bracket close,
Yes, sir.
is equals to, right now I will write only px क्योंकि अभी इसकी जरूरत हमें है नहीं, हमें लास्ट में जरूरत पड़ती है, राइट? तो px
Yes, sir.
px में लिखता हुआ जाऊंगा. px का मतलब हो गया कि द इक्वेशन विच इज रिटन ऑन द टॉप. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अब देखिए इसमें क्या करते हैं. x minus alpha, x minus beta as it is लिख देंगे. When you will open the bracket here, when you will open the bracket here, it will become what? It will become x
X minus
minus 3 minus root 2.
root 2
And when you will open the bracket here, it becomes x minus 3 plus root 2
plus root 2.
is equals to px. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now, if you see x minus 3 and x minus 3, so can we consider this one as one term?
Yes, sir.
We can consider this one as one term.
1.
So आप इसको अगर वन टर्म आप अगर अभी कंसिडर कर लेते हो तो ये आपको हम यहाँ ब्रैकेट डाल दें, यहाँ ब्रैकेट डाल दें, कोई दिक्कत है?
No, sir.
तो ये आपको दिख रहा है कि ये किस फॉर्म में अब आ गया. इसको a मान लीजिए पूरे को और इसको b मान लीजिए, तो हम लिख सकते हैं a माइनस बी, a प्लस बी लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
X minus alpha, x minus beta, and here I will write x minus 3 का whole square and minus root 2 का whole square is equals to px. Any problem?
No, sir.
So let's solve further. So we have x minus alpha, x minus beta, and if you see we have the bracket, and inside the bracket what we have, x minus 3 ka whole square, right? So
Yes,
first we
sir.
will open that. So a minus b whole square is equals to
A square minus A square plus B square minus 2AB.
So x square plus 3a
B
square
square minus
minus
2AB.
2 times x times 3, correct? Bracket
Yes,
close. And if you solve this root 2, it will become how much? Only 2?
yes, sir.
So I will write down here just 2. Bracket close, it will become here px. So let's solve further. So x minus alpha, x minus beta, and now I will use this bracket. So it becomes x square plus 9 minus 6x minus 2 is equals to px. So here x minus alpha, x minus beta, and here it becomes x square minus 6x plus 7 is equals to px, right? So further I can
Yes, sir.
write x minus alpha, x minus beta is equals to px divided by x square minus 6x plus 7. कोई दिक्कत यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
तो अब px की वैल्यू फिर से आप मुझे बताएंगे और हम डिवाइड करने चल रहे हैं अभी. तो हम पहले लिख देंगे x square minus 6x plus 7. What is the value of px? Tell me.
2x 4 minus
2x power,
11
wait, 2x power 4 minus 11 x cube, then
cube plus 7x square
hmm,
13x minus 7.
ठीक है. क्लियर है यहाँ तक? अब इसको चलिए
Yes, sir.
डिवाइड कीजिए. तो सिंपल सी बात है, यहाँ 2x पावर 4 दिख रहा है और यहाँ x स्क्वायर दिख रहा है. क्या लिखेंगे? किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें?
इसमें सर 2x square.
So we have to multiply by 2x square. So the first number will become here 2x power 4. Then 6x times 2 will give me minus 12x cube, and then 14x square, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this will cancel, and this will give me how much? This will give me plus x cube, and this will give me how much? Minus 7x square, right? And
Yes, sir.
then I will write down this one as it is at the bottom. Now we have x cube here, and here is x
Yes, sir.
square. So by which number I need to multiply?
Sir, we will multiply by plus x.
Plus x. So you can see here it will become x cube minus 6x square and plus 7x, correct? So this becomes,
Yes, sir.
this is cancel, and this becomes minus x square, and this becomes here 3 so plus 6x minus 7. Any problem?
No, sir.
So by which number I should multiply now? I will go by minus 1. So you can see here by minus 1 I have minus x square minus 6x minus 7. So all will cancel, right? So if you
Yes.
see, I am getting in the right hand side 2x square plus x minus 1, and this is equals to x minus alpha and x minus beta, right?
Yes.
So further what we can do, we can write it down here, x minus alpha, x minus beta, that is equals to, what shall I write? I need to, it's 2, so x square plus 2x minus 1x minus 1. I can write like this.
Yes, sir.
So मैं next पेज जाता हूँ. तो
वन
मुझे
सर ये
हाँ,
वहां पे 1x लिखे थे.
यहाँ -1 लिखा ना,
अच्छा.
-1x लिखा ना, स्प्लिट किया इसको, देखिए
यस सर.
स्प्लिट कर दिया. तो मैं लिख सकता हूँ x माइनस अल्फा, x माइनस बीटा. मैं फिर से वही लिख देता हूँ 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x माइनस 1x माइनस 1. So x minus alpha, x minus beta, and this will becomes 2x common. So it will become x plus 1. और यहाँ पे 1 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो x plus 1 बच जाएगा, right?
Yes.
So 2x
Yes, sir.
minus 1, and here x plus 1. So x minus alpha, x minus beta.
B.
So let's equate with this. So we are equating here to here. So x minus alpha will be 2x minus 1. So हम यहाँ x minus alpha इसको लिख सकते हैं x minus half, right? So alpha will
Yes.
become half here, and x minus बीटा को हमने इक्वेट कराया है x plus 1 से, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर बीटा इज इक्वल्स टू -1. आया आंसर?
Yes, sir.
कोई दिक्कत?
No, sir.
सो 2 जीरोस पहले से मालूम थे और 2 ये नए जीरोस निकल गए.
Yes, sir.
तो आप
सर कोई क्वेश्चन में अगर 1 0 दिया हुआ रहेगा और बोलेगा कि 3 0 निकालो तो कैसे बनेगा?
तो फिर आपको क्यूबिक सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. क्यूबिक जो है, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल, ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
वो सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, और वो आपके सिलेबस में फिलहाल अभी है नहीं.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर 4 जब भी आएगा, तो क्यूबिक प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करना आपको नहीं सिखाया गया है.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
तो एक ये प्रॉब्लम था, और तो आप ये सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Just a second. I have one more problem here.
Yes, sir.
तो क्यूबिक का तो इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम था तो हमने आपको दे दिया. So you can go for this one. Uploading. Yes. Can you see the problem?
Yes, sir.
Solve कीजिए इसको.
If alpha and beta are zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus k, that is alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta plus alpha beta will equal to 21 by 4 kg.
So यहाँ पे इक्वेशन दे रखा है और एक डेटा दे दिया है आपको, राइट?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व हो जाएगा. ये क्वेश्चन शायद मैंने
Try
करके
करें.
भेजा था आपको.
क्या सर?
ये वाला क्वेश्चन करके मैंने भेजा था आपको, सिमिलर टाइप.
यस सर, हम कर रहे हैं इसको.
जब भी इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम कभी आपको दिखे तो यहाँ एक ट्रिक ये लगाना है कि आप ये देखो, ये इस तरह कुछ दे रखा है, राइट?
यस सर.
अगर हम क्वेश्चन देखें तो क्वेश्चन में अल्फा प्लस बीटा, दैट मींस सम विल बी इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? सम विल बी इक्वल्स टू -5/2.
यस सर.
कोई प्रॉब्लम यहाँ? और इफ आई
नो
सी
सर.
दैट द प्रोडक्ट विल बी हाउ मच? प्रोडक्ट विल बी
प्रोडक्ट
k/2, करेक्ट?
माइनस. यस सर.
माइनस हो जाएगा, k/2 हो जाएगा ना. So you
के भाई.
know very well alpha plus beta ka whole square. If you want to write it down, you need to write down here alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Any problem?
यस. नो सर.
Right? Okay.
यस सर.
So from here, if I want this value, so this value we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and that will be equals to alpha square plus beta square. We can write this from the formula.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now come for question. So according to question, they told me that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equals to how much? 21/4, right?
Yes, sir.
So here is the alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula for it? Formula is this. So
Yes, sir.
put it the formula there. So minus 2 alpha beta, and this alpha beta you need to write down as it is. So 21/4, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
why I did this, because we don't know the value of alpha and beta separately. We don't know the
Yes, sir.
value of alpha beta separately, but I know what? I know some of it. So I have converted this part in the form of sum and product,
Yes, sir.
right? This was the
Yes.
reason behind it. So now what I can do, I can write alpha plus beta kitna hai? 5 by minus 5/2. So I will write it down here, minus 5/2 का square. एंड ये इसको आप देखो इस दोनों टर्म को, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस अल्फा बीटा हो जाएगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो माइनस
For
अल्फा
beta.
बीटा की जगह तो माइनस अल्फा बीटा मतलब क्या? k/2
Yes, sir.
equals to 21/4. So we can write down this one as 25/4 minus k/2 is equals to 21/4. Any problem?
No, sir.
So अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करो फर्दर, तो आप लिख सकते हो इसको 25/4 minus 21/4 is equals to k/2.
Yes, sir.
So ये कितना हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 4/4 is equals to k/2.
Yes, sir.
तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ 1 आ जाएगा, राइट? तो 1 is
Yes.
equals to k/2. So value of k will be equals to 2. So
Yes, sir. Option number D.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
तो आप सारे प्रॉब्लम्स, आपको मैंने चैप्टर भेज दिया है, आप सारे प्रॉब्लम्स बनाइए, ठीक है? और कल
Yes, sir.
हम लोग, कल क्या मंडे है ना?
Yes, sir. Monday.
मंडे, ठीक है, कल हम लोग सेशन करेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
मैं आपको मैसेज डाल दूंगा टाइमिंग का, और
Yes, sir.
फिर देखते हैं हम, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
तो आप इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कीजिए, आपका ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट है लगभग, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ओके, चलिए।